Rina! Uy, mag-video.
Stay put. Stay put. Stay put. We're going to die. There's my companion Selma. And there's the other. We have the...
Hi!
And Tumogun.
Kumogon.
We're still waiting for some passengers.
Wala na, kami lang. Ayun o, meron.
Apollo 13 is not yet launching. Calling all astronauts. Calling all astronauts. We're not ready to launch. Calling all astronauts. Well, the astronauts are not yet here.
Apollo 18!
And there's my financer. What's that?
There's the financer!
Yeah, there's the guy. He's the one.
May bawal yan. That is illegal. Hindi ka nagbayad ng ticket.
It's against the law.
It's against the law. The law of this circus.
And now, here we go.
Yeah, this is it.
Apollo 11 is now launching.
Yay! Today! Tayo lang apat.
Look at the heavens. It's waiting for us up there. It's more horrific than the horror train, I bet. I tell you. That is the horror train, horror cave.
Ay, nakalangkan ko. Tingnan siya. And you look at the sky. It's so bright.
It's so romantic.
So bright.
Look at the ground. I can show you the world. Tumbling, tumbling, and tumbling. Oh, tumbling. Wow. Wow. I can show you the world. Wow. Oh, ouch. I'm gonna die! I don't feel anything, I'm sleepy. It's boring out here. I don't enjoy this ride.
Really?
Yeah. Shut down! It's the end of the world! There's the machine. And there's the... Huh?
That's it. That's
Okay, this is Apollo 11 signing off. Signing off, and that means off.